Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch it here. You can also change its optional optimization, like don't wake screen for notification. You can also turn it off when your device is up to 15% charged, and you can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can select start time and end time of this schedule. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.